Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You are audible completely. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we start, sir? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Good afternoon, Honorable Engineer Sri Bhikhubai Patel, President CVM University, Honorable Dr. S.G. Patel sir, Honorable Secretary CVM University, Honorable Sri Manishbhai Patel, Vice President CVM University, Honorable Dr. P.M. Udani sir, Director General CVM University, Dr. Vishal Singh sir, Principal ADIT College, Dr. Hardik Shah sir, Head Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Kalpesh Chudasma sir, Coordinator of this FDP, eminent speaker, my colleague program committee member, Professor Dhaval Taylor, and dear all participants. I, Jigar Mistry, on behalf of Electrical Engineering Department ADIT, heartily welcomes you all to this valedictory function. Let me brief about this FDP. On the first day, we have learned various type of motors, different control topologies, and power electronics converters. Also, we studied different type of EVs and their comparison. On the second day, we learned different type of battery charging methods with demonstration of international standard for charging EVs. Also, we got knowledge of charging infrastructure development. On the third day, development progress of EV technologies in India was discussed by the speakers. Also, we studied the different effects of EVs on distribution system and different protection schemes with the help of the MATLAB simulation. On the fourth day, demonstration of whole laboratory setup through video were shown in field-oriented control of PMSM motor used in EV. Also, we learned various PLL schemes. Also, we took advantage of yoga. Exercise of mind and body should go parallel. Today, we got knowledge of battery management system, that is onboard charging system, off-board charging system, connection with grid, connection with the home, and simultaneously solar power system. So through this FDP, participants got support for research, innovation, and entrepreneurship in area of electric vehicle. So for concluding this FDP, knowledge of different electric motors, that is BLDC motor, PMSM motor, AC-DC converter, DC-DC converter, battery charging system, protections, on-grid and off-grid battery system, and the solar system are
Sir, you are not audible. Hello, sir, you are
Hello,
not audible.
sir. You are muted. So please unmute yourself.
Hello, now? Okay, so it is our pleasure that Dr. Vishal Singh sir is present with us. Thank you, sir, for being present in our valedictory function. So I would like to request Dr. Vishal Singh sir, Principal ADIT College, to address us. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to one and all. FDP on electric vehicles conducted by Electrical Engineering Department, ADIT, a constituent college of CVM University, supported by Atal Academy AICTE. I hope all the participants over the period of FDP must have gained deep insights into the electrical technologies associated with the domain of electric vehicles. After every few decades, there are some technological disruptions that we see. We saw with the advent of steam engines, IC engines, electricity, telephony, cellular telecommunication. And now the next big change that is awaiting all of us is electric vehicle technology. To develop a sustainable life on Earth, we need to reduce the carbon footprint of various activities for human beings. Transportation sector is one of the biggest consumer of energy, in which domestic electric vehicles and commercial electric vehicles, both, they can play a lead role. European Union has already committed that after 2030, they will be shifting their domestic vehicles to electric vehicles. In India too, our transport minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, has chalked out under National Electric Vehicle Policy. And we are all happy that Government of Gujarat has also given financial incentives for the promotion of electric vehicles. I hope all of us will take this endeavor forward, and learning from this particular FDP will help you create greater awareness about these technologies. Once again, I wish you very best for your future ahead. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Thank you, sir. Also, I would like to request Dr. Hardik Shah, sir, Head Electrical Engineering Department, ADIT, to say few words about this FDP. Dr. Hardik Shah, sir.
Thank you, Jigar sir. Namaskar. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. On behalf of Electrical Engineering Department, AD Patel Institute of Technology, myself, Dr. Hardik Shah, congratulate all the participants for successfully attending the faculty development program on electrical vehicles, technologies and challenges. I hope all the participants have fruitful learning experience about the recent and fast growing field of electrical vehicles and electrical charging infrastructure. In line with this, let me share CVM University has taken an initiative for starting minor program in electrical vehicle as per the AICTE norms. Electrical Engineering Department is accredited in 2009 to 2012 and also from 2019 to 2022. Department have well qualified and well experienced faculty members. Department received the grant of rupees 40+ lakhs from various funding agencies like AICTE, DST, GUJCOS, SSIP and many more. Electrical department started in 2001. More than 1,000 students graduated from the electrical engineering department. I wish this FDP will help you, and at large it will help to the society and nation for the development of electrical vehicle charging infrastructure. It will also provide support to achieve the target which is set by our state government as well as the central government in the recently released National Electrical Vehicle Policy. I hope you have enjoyed the FDP, you have brushed up your knowledge, and it will encourage you all to work more in this domain. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I would like to appreciate response of the participants. Participants have shown their interest during each session by actively participating and asking the questions. Participants have shown their great interest in all the sessions. So your feedback are also important for us. So I would like to call participants who have given concern. Now I would like to call Dr. Ankit Shah sir, Head Electrical Engineering Department, BBIT, Vallabh Vidyanagar. Dr. Ankit Shah sir.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Good afternoon to all, and I wish you a very happy.
Sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, it is already unmuted.
Yes sir. You are audible sir.
Chudasma sir, it's okay.
Yeah, okay.
So, first of all, I would like to thank the coordinator, Professor Kalpesh sir, and all organizing team members for availing me opportunity to attend this training program on electric vehicles, technologies and challenges. And regarding this training program, I'm sure that the organization must have taken a great pain in finding the various experts in this field. The experts were from renowned engineering institutes, having a wide research and professional experience, working in different domains related to EV technology. And yes, I must say that they delivered their talk extensively, encompassing all aspects such as past development, present challenges of EV technology to incorporate, particularly in India, possibilities for exchange of power from vehicle to grid and vehicle to vehicle, and also the battery management system. Some of the experts nicely demonstrated the usage of power electronics technology to integrate EV technology with the grid, specifically by videos and simulations in MATLAB as well as in PSIM environment. So from my side, I really appreciate this thing. I'm also sure that with this training program, the faculty member can teach the subject at UG or PG level. A fruitful discussion with the experts may initiate the further research frontiers for those who really wants to carry out the research or PhD work in this domain. So with this all good wishes, I personally thank the ADIT management, Principal Sir, Dr. Vishal Singh Sir, AICT, and whole organizing team members, Professor Kalpesh, Professor Hardik Shah Sir, Professor Jigar Mistry, and Professor Dhaval Taylor Sir, and wish them best of luck for their bright future. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you sir. Now I would like to call Dr. Hitesh Padgar sir, Principal, Electrical Engineering Engineering College, Junagadh.
Yes. My
Dr.
voice is clear,
Hitesh,
sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to all. It is a great pleasure to share a few words for this program. Myself, Dr. Hitesh Pagdar, Principal at Home Engineering College, Junagadh. Now, first of all, I would like to thanks to CVM University, ADIT College, Principal and Coordinator Dr. Kalpesh Chudasama for organizing this wonderful faculty development program in this emerging area like electrical vehicle. This FDB provides the platform for the understanding like development, fundamentals, concept, design, and all other things related to electrical vehicles. I also thanks to all the experts or research person for the knowledge sharing with us in a very interactive way, and they gives a lots of contribution in this FDP. In these last 5 days, all the sessions are organized in very systematic manner. I really enjoyed these days. Thank you. Once again, I especially thanks to Kalpesh sir for being with us every day from morning to evening. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Not only from Gujarat, from various state participants are involved in our FDP. So also we will give chance to them to speak, say words for this FDP. So I would like to request Professor Mahesh Gaddi from Karnataka. Professor Mahesh sir. ID number FDP number 94. Sir, please unmute yourself. Mahesh sir.
Sir, can you able to unmute yourself? Mahesh sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
would like to request Dhaval sir to check whether he can able to unmute himself.
Actually, sir, it is done by participant only. We are not able to unmute them, sir.
Okay, no problem, Dhaval sir. So next, I would like to call Dr. Sunil Kumar sir from Jharkhand.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Am
sir.
I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Completely.
Okay. First of all, many blessings for Guru Purnima today. I would like to thank the coordinator, Kalpesh sir, Hardik sir, HOD Electrical Engineering, and all organizing team, which gives me pleasure to those who are conducting this program, FDP programs, and I am also the one of the part of them. This program is well suitable for nowadays because electric vehicles, this field is emerging today. As Dipankar Debrat discussed about the electric vehicle technologies, challenges, and he has discussed all the challenges, whatever now we are facing, and to how to recover it. Sudhir Gupta, one proverb, has given me lots of initiative that if you will take care of environment or nature, then nature only will take care of you. He has also stressed on vehicle dynamics. Also, from the different speakers, it has been given that converters, controls, battery management system, hybrid sensors, all the topics were well behaved, well discussed in proper manner, and it gives new research area to develop this area and make a researcher to be fruitful in the nations. So I am most thankful to Kalpesh sir, and again thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Not only professor, but also person from industry, from various industry, they have participated our FDP. So now I would like to call Mr. Sandeep Kausik, sir, JBM Group from Haryana. Sandeep, sir, ID number 134. He has just left. Okay, he is joining. Sandeep, sir. Sandeep, sir, please unmute yourself. Audio issue. He has written in chat box that audio issue. Trying to unmute. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, you try yourself to unmute. We are going further another point. Okay, feedback.
Okay. So I would like Mr. Jwalant Modi, sir, assistant professor from Silver University. Jalwant, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
First of all, I would like to say Happy Guru Purnima to all the gurus, those who have what I can say that they have given the knowledge for electrical vehicle in this particular FDP of electrical vehicle. I'm thankful to all the speakers that they have imparted the in-depth knowledge in electrical vehicle, and the main attractive part of this particular FDP program was that the course content was designed in such a way that from the basic level to the in-depth level till the simulations, each and every knowledge along with practical exposure, it has been imparted. So for the researchers such like me, it will become a great help to develop myself into the field of academics. So I am thankful to entire team, especially Kalpesh Chudasma sir, Hardik Shah sir, Jigar Mistry sir, for providing this such a great platform at in this pandemic, in such pandemic, such opportunity will enhance the skills of each and every faculties, those who are affiliated with any other universities. So I think this was a great opportunity for all the researchers, those who are working in the field of renewable energy, and especially for electrical vehicle. It was a super program. I'll say thank you so much for all everything.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Dr. Nandita Sanyal from West Bengal. ID number 16. Nandita madam. Yes, madam.
Madam, please unmute.
ఇది అది algebraic line solver అని చెప్పింది.
Madam, your voice is not audible. Voice is.
One six. Yes, madam. Madam, you are not audible. Your mic is unmute, but we cannot hear you.
ఇందులో కూడా లేదు. Okay, anyway.
Madam, please unmute your mic.
Right now, okay.
Actually, madam, you just leave the meeting and once again join, so your issue may be solved. Yes.
Rejoin the session, then you can
Yeah.
able to
Yes.
speak. Or Gaddi
see
sir,
you.
Mahesh Gaddi sir, you also please.
Okay. 134 number has written that I would like to give feedback. Okay, sir. Sandeep sir. 134
Hello.
number.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Kalpesh and his dedicated team for conducting such a wonderful FDP program and providing all of us the opportunity to learn from the eminent speakers at this faculty development program. As we all know, the importance of electric vehicles in the current and future scenario, and the demand is very, very high. So considering this demand,
we have to expedite the procedure of learning newer technologies in this field.
Really much fortunate, and I wish to extend my thanks to all the eminent speakers. And thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Venkatesh sir from Andhra Pradesh. ID number 160. In chat books, it is written 94 number would like to give the feedback. Okay, sir. You can give the feedback. Unmute yourself, sir. 94, FDP 94 number.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Hello, sir. Myself from Mahesh B. Gaddi from SJP and Trust Polytechnic, Nirsosi from Karnataka State, sir. You arranged a very nice program, sir. Okay. I am very much thankful to for what electrical engineering department for organizers. Very best program you arranged, sir. And the expert committee has given a very wonderful session, and it is very helpful for the for staff members to update their knowledge. Okay, such a type of sessions will be in future. I am going to expecting, and you have to invite for us, sir. And all the sessions are very nice, sir. And no boring, nothing. That MATLAB, then that how to install the particular software, then battery backup, then what is the difference between IC engine, electrical vehicles, what are the benefits. Very wonderful, fantastic session you have conducted. Thank you very much, sir. I am very much thankful to all the organizers. Okay, and the session was very interesting, sir. Day by day, our curiosity and interest will be added advantage to us. Okay, this I conclude my speech. Thanking you, one and all, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Poonam, GEC Morbi. Professor Poonam.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, madam, you are audible.
A very good afternoon to all participants and organizing team. Myself Poonam Parmar from Ali College, Morbi. It was very informative training of a new research area. All the experts are really very well experienced and explain the topic with the simulation also. Almost all the important topics are covered, like battery charging, motor drive and controllers, protection and V2G techniques. It will be really useful for us who is working in the EV area. So thanks to ADIT College and organizing team for arranging such. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Any other participant? Nandita madam is not in meeting. Any other participant would like to give the feedback?
Hello. Yes, sir. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. It is my pleasure actually to participate in this particular workshop related to the electrical vehicle. I am from Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Ravet, from mechanical engineering discipline. So I thank particularly the head of department and the entire team of electrical department under the guidance of Dr. Kalpesh sir, Hardik sir and Jigar sir, and Principal Sir Vishal Singh sir for organizing such a wonderful and excellent FDP under the Atal AICTE sponsored FDP. So it is actually a need of the hour. What is the topic is selected. So this is actually a benefit to all the faculty members as well as the industry persons from the different regions throughout the India. So I thankful to the organizer. So and whatever the research persons are there, so they are excellent and they are having the actual knowledge. And particularly thank to the Kalpesh sir because they are conducting the sessions regarding the any kind of the query right from the day one before the commencement of the actual FDP. So if any query is there, any problem is there, so it is nicely handled by the entire team of the electrical engineering department. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I will like to call. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Madam, you are audible, but echo is there. Surrounding echo.
Now echo is there. Now can
Little bit audible.
Good afternoon. This event reflects the growing realization that we have to adapt towards the future mobility where electric vehicles are the latest trend. Over the past 5 days, we have carefully researched different aspects of electric vehicles and its future prospects in our country. There will be a paradigm shift in the future mobility concept, with present researches going on in different universities. All the sessions were equally informative. All the experts shared their first-hand experience in electric vehicle research, and the domain was very wide. And they have also showed the simulation on MATLAB or eSIM, and which was very, very interesting. And they have aroused some thirst so that we can learn more. Actually, this semester, I have been assigned to teach EV in our college. So after one semester teaching, I thought that to update myself from eminent teachers, so I participated in this FDP. So my purpose is fully served, and I was initially slightly worried about this MS Team platform. But after your help, I got habituated with this platform also, and I am so glad to be acquainted all of you. I thank the coordinator, Dr. Kalpesh Churasama sir, Hardik sir, then Jigar Mistry sir, Dhaval and Taylor sir, and everyone. And I thank you very much for organizing such an effective FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Professor Amit Anchal sir from Parul University. Amit sir, please.
May I audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so very good afternoon to all of you. And I would like to thank you, the organizing committee, members Kalpesh Churasama sir, Jigar Mistry sir, and Hardik Shah sir for arranging such a wonderful STTP. Right? So I am currently doing my PhD in the same topic, battery management system. So I gain a lot of knowledge from this FDP. Right? So there are lots of speakers that give the very good knowledge regarding the battery management system, all of the EV technologies and all the recent trade that are currently going on in the EV world. So I gain a lots of knowledge based on these materials said by the expert and the explanation given by all the experts. So I would like to thank the organizing committee of this you can start STTP, Kalpesh sir, Hardik sir, and the Jigar Mistry sir for giving me such wonderful knowledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants would like to give feedback?
Thank you all participants for your feedback. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you to all. At the end of this session, I would like to request Dr. Kalpesh Churasama sir, coordinator of this great FDP, for vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you very much, Jigar sir, for inviting me to express the word of thanks. First, I would like to thank God Almighty for giving us a very good life and for everything. Let me take this moment to express our heartfelt thanks to the person who has always been a great support to all of us, and he is Mr. Sri Engineer Bhikubai Patel sir, President CVMU. It is due to his vision and confidence in us that gives impetus to accomplish new achievements. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to express my deep and sincere thanks to AICT All India Training and Learning Academy Atal for providing us a platform and granting us fund to conduct the FDP. It is due to you, it is your cooperation, the program has successfully come to an today. Thank you very much, Atal, so much once again for all officials. Thank you very much. I would like to extend a vote of thanks to Sri Honorable Manish Bhai Patel sir, Vice President CVM, Dr. S.G. Patel sir, Honorary Secretary CVM, Professor Dr. P.M. Udani sir, Director General CVMU, for bolstering us round the clock. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Principal ADIT, Dr. Vishal Singh sir, for having the faith in us and providing your valuable guidance to make this a success. Thank you very much, sir. We are sincerely thankful to you for providing us with all possible support. Whenever I demand anything, he immediately agreed and sought that point where we want his help. Thank you very much, sir. I am thankful to Dr. Hardik Shah, Head Electrical Department, for all supports given in a smooth conduction of this FDP. Thank you very much, sir. I am very much thankful to my program committee member, Professor Dhaval Taylor and Professor Jigar Mistry, for continuous being with me during the whole conduction of FDP and putting your best efforts to make this event successfully. Thank you very much, both of you. I am thankful to all eminent speakers for accepting invitation and delivering excellent knowledgeable sessions, and that was very much helpful, that we can see from the participants feedback. So the purpose of this FDP is I think succeed. I am thankful to Dr. Sanjay Patel, Head Automobile Engineering, and Dr. Hasmukh Karanja, Assistant Professor JEC Rajkot, for sharing his past coordinator experience to me, Atal coordinator experience, and all help. I'm very much thankful Ms. Gopi Bhatt, Assistant Professor ADIT Computer Department, for your kind support in making MS team of participants. I would like to thank Professor Anand Joshi, Assistant Professor IT Department, and Mr. Priyank Patel for all support related with the internet and computer systems and arrangement of FDP. I am thankful for Prerak Thakkar, Assistant Professor Computer Department, for providing help in YouTube video upload. I am thankful to ADIT design team for making even digital poster. I am thankful to electrical department faculties and department lab assistants, Mr. Heathen and Mr. Ketan, for doing needful. I am thankful to Professor Gambhava, Assistant Professor Automobile, for help provided. I am thankful to Electrical Department Pune, Mr. Mines Bhai and Mr. Suresh Bhai, for all support. I would like to thank everyone who is directly or indirectly involved into this making this program a success. Thank you very much. And forgive me if I forgot someone's name. So forgive me. Then thank you all enthusiastic and wonderful participants. Thank you very much for being with us on the board. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kalpesh sir, for presenting vote of thanks. Sir, we are thankful to you for putting extensive efforts from selection of FDP to conduction of FDP. And because of you, we can conduct this FDP successfully. Thank you, Kalpesh sir. Now I am ending this valedictory function. Thank you to all participants. Thank you. Participants will wait for further announcement.
recording बंद कर